All right, here it is, the much anticipated install of the SpaceX Starlink satellite internet. So one thing I was adamant about was not putting more penetrations through the roof. So I used some fittings for industrial pipe, and I bolted it to the fascia board, and with a 90-degree elbow and then like a 4-inch extender and a plastic or rubber coupling, I got this thing installed in probably about 10 minutes. So when I was watching videos on how to install this thing, one thing that I did not find a whole lot of was information on the field of view. I was looking specifically for videos that showed where people's dish was pointing and what the obstructions might have been. So here in just a minute, I took a video of what the dish is actually looking at. And I'll add some photos at the end of this video so you can kind of see the obstructions or lack thereof and how to determine where to put your dish. So after running the cable through the attic, plugging it into the power source, the dish actually does the rest of the work for you. It calibrates, it finds the satellites, and it tips to the appropriate angle that you need. And just within a few minutes, you have internet access. Prior to installation, use the Starlink app and click on check for obstructions. Point your camera at the northern sky, roughly where your satellite will be. There's a shadowed out area in the bottom part of that field of view. Anything in there, if it's in the shadowed out area, it won't be in the line of sight for your internet connection to the satellite. As you raise your camera higher, at a sharper angle, it opens up the clear sky, and as long as there's no obstructions in that area, you'll have great connection. So these are a few screenshots here of some speeds that I took. We've had as high as 130 and low as about 23, but overall very pleased and happy to have internet.